Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, let me adjust this. Well, first day back at work after the holiday, and what a day it's been. Somebody broke into my work van and they couldn't steal anything, so they just ripped its insides out, broke the steering lock. What a performance, had to be towed away. The back of a truck, sorry looking sight. It's in getting fixed now, but I had to go in work. I went in work late, absolutely hammered. And when I finished work, look what was waiting for me when I came home. This was sent to me courtesy of Mark Davis. Thank you, Mark Davis. He sent me some stuff to use in the channel. I've broke the seal of the box, but I've no idea what's in here. I thought we'd do an unboxing and we'll open it and we'll see what's in together. So, oh, there you go. Here we go. There you go. Goodies galore. Thank you, Mark. Here we go. We've got a little note here. Let's have a look. John, enclosed are 11 razors. 2 injector sleeve blades. Some of the razors you may have, others are probably too mild. The one razor was made by Matty Lindholm. Very nice, which I'm sure you will like and enjoy. Your friend Mark. Thank you, Mark. Very, very kind indeed. So, let's take a look at them. I've been meaning to try these ones. I've tried arcade blades. I love arcade blades. But somehow you think, because these are in a different packaging, they're going to be different, aren't they? I'm really looking forward to trying them. Thank you, Mark. Look at this. Chic injector sleeves up. Woo! Thank you very much. I look forward, and it's funny again, and I've said it every time I do an unboxing, I was looking at getting some of those and those arcade blades. Okay, these are wrapped up. See the way I did that then? Did you feel like you're in the presence of a Rambo or something? Right, here we go. Right, let's have a look. Okay. Notebook. Oh, there you go. I'll tidy up later on. Okay. What's this one say? I can't see. My eyes are absolutely shocking. I can't see what's on the bottom of that one. Look at that there. That's a nice razor. Touch of the D89 is very nice, heavy handle. Put that one there. Here we go. Always like a child at Christmas, mate, when I get stuff like this. Absolutely wonderful, so kind. Thanks again, Mark. Okay, look at this. Razorine. Or is it Razorini? I would pronounce that Razorine. Look at this. Wow, a brass one too. Absolutely wonderful. I look forward to using that, Mark. I'll use that in an up and coming video. The Razorine made in Italy. Another one I was looking at, but yeah, it was wow. Thank you. I always feel overwhelmed. I don't know what to say with generosity like this. Thank you is literally all I can. They'll all get well used and well loved and cherished, but thank you just doesn't seem enough sometimes, does it? It really doesn't. Here we go. I recognise this one. That is that 23C, a Merca 23C. Absolutely wonderful. And here we go. This one. You're well wrapped them, Mark. Thank you very, very much. Okay. Wow, look at this. See, what have I just said? about generosity and about thank you doesn't seem like enough. Look, not only has he sent me, look, that beautiful Henson razor, but the stand as well. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much, Mark. It's mind-boggling how kind you guys are. It really, really is. Oh. Look at this. Look at that. Absolutely, that is a good razor, that Mueller Rocker. That is a very, very good razor indeed. Thanks again, Mark. Wonderful. Let's have a look. I've actually still got a razor that Mark gave me. I think I've used them all once, apart from one I think was the Iskra. And we'll get that out and get that used in a shave pretty soon. I do use them all, but my den does need some organising as well. Wow, look at this now. I'm grateful. I am grateful. I bought one of these and when it came it was broke. Yeah, so that's wonderful. I'm looking forward to using that. And there you go. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Mark. Got some nice shaves coming up. There we go. I'm gonna have somebody's eye out with that. Look at this. Another one I've been looking at. Yeah, look. That's the Razor Rock. Is it the Hawk? That one. There's the V3 and the Hawk, or is it the Hawk V3? It's one of them. The single edged. But I was looking at that, and there's another one that's like this. I just can't think of the name. I was looking at that one as well. But wow, absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Woo-woo. You tell I've just got in from work. And another one, look at this. I've seen, is that the Yaki? Look at that, please comment and let me know. I'm sure that's a Yaki, isn't it? Its name just escapes me. But that's a hefty beast. Absolutely wonderful. Let's have a look. Oh, don't need the knife for that one. It peeled off quite the thing. Yeah, another one. And that's a Macur. I was looking at that handle as well. That's another one I was looking at. Wow. That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Like a kid in a candy store. Right, so is that the Edwin Jagger? Is that a DE89, guys? Because I don't own a DE89. I've never had a DE89 way, but I recognise that. Is that an Edwin Jagger? Have I got my first ever Edwin Jagger DE89? Absolutely wonderful. Thanks again. Woo. And last but by no means least, let's have a look at this now. Ah, look. We've got the short-handled Merkur because I've got the long-handled one. Absolutely wonderful. So, let me think now. That must be the Matty Lindholm. I'll check out that inscription on the bottom, but that I can't see. My eyes are shut. That must be the Matty Lindholm. Absolutely wonderful. Mark, my ghast has been well and truly flabbered. Thank you very much. staggering generosity again from Mark. This is the second batch I've received from Mark. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you very, very much, Mark. I'll be using these regularly and soon, so to say. Okay, that's it, guys. Wonderful. Please thank Mark in the comments below, because he's contributed to a lot of videos now in the future. Helps me keep them fresh, keep them different and alternating, and we'll have a good chat, we'll have a good shave. I'm going to film the shave later on. I've got to pop back out and run an errand for someone in a while, and then I'll come back, we'll do the shave. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you on the shave. Bye.